Have you ever wondered how to awaken the spiritual heart? How to blossom from within? Let's nurture and nourish this heart and awaken to our full potential and shine brightly on this yogic path, going deeper and deeper into the heartfelt wisdom of our pure heart. In this short meditation, we'll dive into the purity of our intentions. This pure intention is the foundation for aligned action, for flowing with integrity through our day. So I trust that this grounding and centering in the heart will help us to bloom, shine, radiate, and live with an open heart so we can pass on this inspiration with the people in our surroundings. I actually just come out of a 10-day silent meditation retreat. I stopped counting, something like 25 or 27. And it was so inspiring for me to connect to that stillness. And I would love to share this peaceful presence of the heart with you in this guided session. So please prepare yourself by arriving in a comfortable pose. Sit up in an upright position and adjust your body. Make yourself comfortable, be at ease, and relax into a firm and stable pose. Take a deep breath in, and with the exhalation, close those eyes. Another few deep breaths. With every inhalation, we are straightening and opening the body. And with every exhalation, we are relaxing and softening. Continuing to breathe slightly deeper. And allowing the mind to sink down into the heart. Softening the attitude. As we feel this shining and blooming arising in heart center. We can visualize now a sunflower blossoming in the center of our chest. Vividly perceiving the colors, the radiance, and the beauty. opening the petals of our sunflower with each and every breath. Breathing into heart center. With every inhalation, we gently open the chest, giving more space for our sunflower to expand and radiate. Perceiving the giving and receiving flow through the sunflower heart. The beauty is shining, giving and radiating. And our flower is also receiving, opening up, welcoming with this receptive attitude. Enjoying the warmth of the sun in our heart. Going deeper and deeper. Stabilizing the roots of our awareness in heart center. For a last moment, opening ourselves even further. Spreading those petals of the sunflower. Shining. Reflecting and radiating. Blossoming. And blooming. Keeping those eyes closed. Breathing into our sunflower, nourishing and nurturing the heart with another deep breath. And then the stem of our flower is swinging, moving gently in the wind, allowing the spine to flow from left to right. And if you like, you may bring your hands to heart center with gratitude and appreciation, bowing to this beauty of the sunflower. And then, with a soft smile on our lips, we gently open those eyes and are ready to face the day with an open heart, shining brightly in this trust of the flower, knowing that this sunflower will bear many fruits, many sunflower seeds, which will multiply and spread in our surroundings. This loving kindness, this trusting attitude of living with an open heart. I trust that you enjoyed this heart-opening experience. And I'm very much looking forward to dive deeper with you in other meditations, practices, podcasts. So join us in our global yogic family so we can shine and radiate, blossom and bloom together. Blessings from wonderful Bali, from my heart into your sunflower heart. Namaste.